Hi, what's good everybody? In today's video we are going to be designing a label in CorelDraw X7. So actually we've been sent an instruction on how to go about it. It's going to be sticker. It's going to be a 6 inches by 3 inches sticker. So actually this is the information. It's a birthday our design. So let's go ahead and change the page to 6 by 3 inches. That will be portrait. 6 by 3 inches. It's okay. So it's going to be portraits. Can you see that? So let's head over to your our rectangle tool. Double click, automatically snapped into the page. So this is the picture of the celebrants. So right now what we're going to be doing is to go on to source for our background in which we are going to use for this project. So let's go over to the downloaded images that was downloaded previously. So let's go over and search for that. So I'm gonna look for a pattern to use here. So let's bring this out. We are making use of that as well. All of this was actually in freepik.com. Go to freepik.com. Most definitely you're gonna find something like this to make use of. So let's reduce this. So right now what we are going to do is to arrange the text at first. So we're gonna have to reduce this a little bit. Let's map out the way we want it. So point your mouse to the tip of the object that you created, which is the background, then reduce it down. When you get to the destination, you right click, automatically copy paste. So let's change that to gold. Excuse me. Let's sample this gold from their body. Point right there. There you have that. Good. So before we go for that, make a copy of that. So we are going to turn this to control page up. So right now let's go over, select your transparency tool, then you go over to this place and change the merge mode to multiply. I think that's nice. So let's go ahead and just rotate it, make it bigger a bit. So let's Powerclip that into place. Put on key, adjust, just like so. Good, nice one. So let's zoom up. So right now what we're going to be doing is to extract this so that we can maintain the color. So right now we are going to extract it with the PNG. So it's okay. Yes. So let's go over again. Right click on the background, import, select import, then let's go over and look for the image that we exported, which is this. Bring it back. So there we have that. So let's delete this, we don't need that. So we are going to work with this, so put that aside. So let's go over and just convert this to curve, then go ahead and pull this angle up a little bit, then bring it down just like so. Make a copy, center it all up. So what we're going to be doing in essence right now is to mirror this to the other side, then hold Ctrl key, then set it behind that. So let's go over and reduce this a little bit. Nice one. So what we are going to do is to sample this color right here, right down, point here. There you have that. So make a copy of this, then let's go ahead and fine tune it. Go over to effect, adjust, then you click on tone curve. Automatically dialog box pops up. So right now let's make it a bit sharper, put that up, then put this angle down a little bit to have I think this is nice. It's okay. There you have that. Let's Powerclip that into the object. hold Alt key, select the object, release the Alt key, and adjust to fit in just like so. Nice one. So let's Powerclip the picture of the celebrant. So hold Alt key, select the picture, then you adjust. There you have that. Nice one. Good. So right now what we're gonna be doing is to go ahead, select both. So let's wet it all up. Wet. Good. There you have that. So what we are going to do now is to center it all up. Good. We are going to make it exceed the normal size of it. So right from the top, then you go ahead, tap on that to stretch it all up, then make it wide. So right now what we're going to be doing is to hold Ctrl key on keyboard, then tap on page down to take that behind the object that I created. So let's select the top, then you bring it down a little bit. So right now let's give it a slight background. Nice one. Good. Set outline to none. So right now let's arrange all the text. Zoom up, make it white, control page up. Good. So right now let's change this to Futurati. So let's arrange the information according to. So we are going to lay emphasis on some information. So what we needed to do is to just cut, Ctrl X, then paste right there, Ctrl V to paste. Then let's bring this down a little bit, position this. Good. Nice one. So hit Ctrl K to break it into pieces. Then let's go ahead and have this properly arranged. I think this will go to the top. Stretch it down a little bit. Then let's go ahead and have this at the top. Good. So nice one. So right now what we're going to be doing is to make this color, then set the outline to none, make it bigger. So what we are going to do is Ctrl K to break it into pieces. So let's be creative about the 60. So let's go ahead, let's make this a bit smaller. Good. Position it up. Let's delete this. So what we are going to do is to create something classic right here, just like so. Then make a copy inward. That's nice. So let's go ahead and combine. So right drag the color on top of the object, copy your properties. There you have that. Nice one. Good. So what we are going to do now is to give it create an effect with the help of interactive fill tool. The down part, let's make it the darkest gold ever. Nice one. Good. Let's go ahead and have the second one changed as well. So let's bring this down closer to this. Nice one. Good. So let's make it bigger a bit. Good. So right now what we are going to do is to bring this up a little bit. Let's have the 60, the happy to be smaller than just like so. Good. So what we are going to do now is to go ahead and create circle just like so. So mind you, we are going to round this birthday all up right here to have it stylishly placed. So watch me as I do that. So right now what we're going to be doing is to just bring this, right click, go and get to destination. So what we're going to do now is to make this capital letter, make it capital letter, uppercase. So right now reduce it a bit. Good. Give it a space a bit. Nice one. Good. Hold shift key, select the circle, then go over to the text, then select fit to part automatically, fit to part automatically. So let's stretch, let's adjust, drag it, drag it out just like so. When you get to your destination, you just stop. So go ahead, hit on mirror, then mirror test horizontally. So let's go ahead and stretch that just like so. Good. Good. Can you see this? Can you see that? Nice one. So let's go ahead to object, break drop shadow apart, automatically breaks. So let's delete this. So what we are going to do right now is to make a reduction with this info just like so. So let's go ahead and have this copied, right click when you get to destination. So what we're going to be doing is to combine this main one. So let's go ahead, right drag, copy our property, or better still, make a copy of that, then right drag it on top of the object, copy our properties, automatically changes. So let's send it behind the text by holding Ctrl key on keyboard, then you tap on page down, automatically it gets you to the down part. So right now what we're going to be doing is to cut this part off right from here, then so let's have it just like so. Good. Let's cut it off. This, delete that. So what we're going to be doing is to just hit F12, a dialog pops up. So let's make the thickness of that to be 3. This is too harsh, should be tiny, so let's make it 2. So that's nice. Convert to curve, Ctrl Q, then you go over to your shape tool, double click right here. So you double click right here as well. So what we're going to be doing, select this dot right here, then you go over break, curve automatically breaks, then double click to have it separated. Good. Nice one. Good. Good. So what we're going to be doing is to go ahead and have that to be converted to object. Then let's select this to pull it up a little bit. There you have that. So let's have this to be white. Good. Nice one. So let's go ahead and just make this calculator as well. Then let's position it just like so, make it bigger a bit, then you go over and stretch it a little bit just like so. There we are. So let's position it just like so. Good. Nice one. Zoom down. So let's go on to the next one. So right now what we're going to be doing is to go ahead and have to our DRS, let's make this trigon. Let to our DRS be somewhere around here. So make it black. So enter right from here to our DRS. Make it closer a bit. Nice one. So let's go ahead to the rest of the text. Pastor Yinka and Pastor Mrs. So let's give it a shorthand. So what we're gonna be doing now is Pastor Yinka and Miss and Pastor Mrs. So what we are going to do is to just go ahead. Let's make it trigon, bold. So we are going to lay emphasis on their names and Pastor Mrs. Fumilola Ike. bolding it all up, stretch a bit. Pastor Mrs. Fumilola Ige. I think we needed to make this a bit smaller. Likewise this Mrs. Fumilola Ige. So I'm actually looking for ways to lay emphasis on these names to make it look real. It contributes to breaking into pieces likewise this. So let's go ahead and have this just like so. Enter right there, give it, right alignment, position this forward a bit. Then let's have this name just like so. Good. The pastor just like so. Good. We have to change so let's make it futurati. So right now let's have this to be capital letter. Likewise this capital letter. So this has to be capital letter as well. Mind you, let's debold it. So let's go ahead and move it closer, just like so. Go ahead, cause the tracking a bit. The outline to white, then let's have this to be bolder. The bold, that's make it bigger a bit. Likewise this. Then let's have this to be capital letter as well. Nice one. Good. So all we are going to do is to just indicate an arrow right here. So let's go ahead and create that. Word it all up. Hit F12 with that level pops up. So let's make it 1. Hit OK. Good. There we have that. So right now let's go ahead and create something unique right here. An effect, that's what I meant. So make it gray, pull this down a little bit. There you have that. A bit closer. Good. So I drag that on top of formula here, copy your properties. Likewise this, copy your properties. So let's go ahead to your shape tool, close the tracking a bit. Likewise this, close the tracking. Then this, close the tracking. Good, nice one. Give it space a little bit. So let's go ahead and select everything all together, group. Ctrl G, then go ahead to drop shadow. Let's apply shadow to that. Good. Go ahead, make it outside. Then let's go ahead and make that 90. The what's it called? Drop down opacity. Then the feathering. Let's make it 9. Okay. Good one. So go over to object, then break drop shadow apart, automatically press, then you group it all up again. There you have that. Nice one. So right now we are going to create, so let's create something like this. Then you go ahead, make it black. go ahead, sample this dark color point right there. So let's go ahead and blend the upper part of it, set outline to none, Powerclip that into place. Then let's go ahead and adjust that, bring it down, stretch it all up. Good, nice one. So what we are going to do now is to just, so presented by, actually color was specified, but I'm going to use that for the second one. So let's go ahead and have this delete there, we don't need it. So present by Sharple of Mercy. So hit Ctrl K to break it into pieces. So let's lay emphasis on this, bolding it all up, then make it all cap. Good. Presented by, so reduce that a little bit, so move this closer. Good. Go ahead to your shape tool, reduce the tracking a bit. Good. Nice one. Go ahead, hit F12, make the outline dotted line, then 1 point, it's okay. There you have that. Good. So can you see that? Here we come to the end tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the button below subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button so that other people can benefit from what we have shared so far. As I always say in my channel, see you in the next video. Bye for now.